Yes, you can earn $4,250 within 30 minutes. I know you are there thinking, Christine, is it true? Can it happen? Yes, it can happen. This happens to be a grant that you can get, and most people are getting it. I've participated in this grant. That's why you see they reminded me and called me for this grant that has been increased from 350 to 4,250. Yes, this grant is given by one of the greatest company. This greatest company is Hidden Stars. Hidden Stars is a non-government organization. It has a good track of 8 years doing very well, giving back to the community with over 400,000 members that are participating in it. Recently, I think like 3 months back in the last quarter, all of you, we participated in this grant that was there. You would just take 3 minutes. Oh, no, you just take 30 seconds to fill the grant form. And when you fill the grant form, immediately you are entered into this draw to get a chance to win this amount of money. Behold, I did not pass, but someone passed. And at the same time, I have a chance to join there. So go with me and you learn how to make money within 30 seconds. I call them 30 seconds because you don't need anything big for you to enter into the draw. What is the essence of this video? This video today, you expect to know the type of grant that we're going to be discussing today. The second thing you're going to expect today is to know how to get this grant be successful. The third one is how exactly is the duration or when is the deadline. So, but before joining in with this grant of ours that we're going to comfortably apply today together with you, let's dive in and first thank to all our top fans, all our royal people that have been supporting Immaculate. Sure, thanks for supporting us. Thanks for visiting us on all our social media platforms. We are honored and very grateful. You know, our main objectives is to make sure we bring for you grants, we bring for you education, we bring for you those things, anything that is near us that you can make money from using your phone, using your own things without investing anything. I know someone out there is still saying, no, Christine, can it happen that in 30 seconds you can get this grant? Yes, you can get this grant. I've gotten a lot of many questions that most people are asking me, Christine, do these things work? Yes, they work. But if you fail today, doesn't mean that you fail tomorrow. And make sure and also put it in your mind that not all of us, we are going to get the grant at a go. There are different people that are going to get a grant. So you might be among them. I might be among them, or you might not be among them. So let's go together and see this Hidden Star organization that is giving $4,250. One of the things I want you to know that it is user friendly, and its main objective is to make sure that all women and the minority entrepreneurs really come to a stage of being successful by getting this free money. It is free money in a sense that they don't ask you to bring back any interest. They don't put any strings attached. They are not like loans. They are grants, and this is a business grant since it is given to all the entrepreneurs and especially to women. We are calling them entrepreneurs. They can be having a business right now, or they have an idea to start a business. You'll come to see in as we go to the registration, there will be a question that they're going to ask you. Do you want to invest in a business or you want to start a business? So be free and be frank and tell them exactly what you are. Either you have a business idea or you already have a business. So let's go together and jump in and see how we can apply for this. First of all, I want you to go to your browser, your favorite browser, whether you're on phone, whether you're on PC like this one. What you do, go there and put there the word Galaxy Grant. The moment you put Galaxy Grant, an interface like this is going to come. This interface is mainly to show you that you can begin now. And this interface will be having two options for signing in, or you can either sign in or you can sign up. Sign in is for those people like us who've already gotten access, who have been using it, and for sign up is for you who is just watching me right now. What are the two advantages that I'm going to tell you on this before we dive in? One, you can get a referral bonus from this. How do you get referral bonus from this? if you're listening to me right now and you've had this grant from me, when you're going to apply down there, please put my name. Because if you get this grant, I'm also going to get it. The amount of money they're going to give you, they're also going to give me. So it will be a two-way. So even you, the way you've heard about it, you can tell somebody such that if that person wins, also you can get the same amount of money. That one sounds so cool. Then the second object or the second advantage with this grant is one. Is also the second one is you there are no strings attached, as I said. And two, you are not going to be asked a lot of questions. There are 3 or 4, 5 questions which are very familiar to you. So let's go together and we see what Garase Grant is giving us. Remember, Garase Grant is under Hidden Star. A Hidden Star is a reputable organization that is giving money for free to ladies, to women, and to also fellow underprivileged entrepreneurs that are out there with beautiful ideas, or they already have businesses. So let's go there. The moment you put your cursor there and you put Hidden Star, a search interface will come. When it comes like this, go up and sign up. They will bring for you a form, of which this form is going to be telling you that it's Garase Grant entry form. Garase Grant entry form has like 5 to 6 parts. One, it is introduction about your bio. The second one, it is about the business. The third one is about where you stay. And the last one is who referred you. And of course, it's Christine Immaculate Ochokshaba who has referred you. So first things first, let's go dive in. One, you go direct and put email. That is the first thing on the email. The second one is your names. Your names should be proper. Then your address, your zip code. From zip code, they will ask you the agenda. Please, I beg you, don't go to the last option where it says, I prefer not to say. Because I know you are either a woman or a man. Then from there, ethnicity. Ethnicity, there is a drop box whereby they give you options of what you're supposed to say. Ethnicity, you can be an Asian, you can be a Latino, you can be an American Black, or you can be a Native American, other ethnicity, or you prefer not to say. This is so simple that you can go down and continue. Then you see who referred you. Who referred you, you are going to put their names. And you can even go to the extent of don't forget to mention in who referred to you, so that if you're selected, that person will also stand a chance to get something. Then they will ask you about business status. Business status is also a Dropbox. A Dropbox in a sense that you're not going to explain so much. You have two alternatives. You're either going to say, I would like to start a business, or you're going to say, I currently own a business. So tick one, it is about ticking. Then from there, you submit. The moment you submit, they're going to tell you, like the way you can see on my screen, when I submitted mine, they put me, congratulations. Now there are two things I would love you to know about this. The deadline of this grant is not now, it is 30th of September, and by October, the winner, who happens to be either me or you who is watching me and you're going to participate, a winner will be announced. Because right now, they are preparing to announce or to give money for the previous winner where I was won. So if we say that the deadline is September 30th, that doesn't mean that you should wait for September 30th. No. First come, I always feel, the moment you submit your application area, they will do a background check and other things, and will stand a chance. Because as you've seen, over 400,000 members do participate, do engage, do like this grant. It is not only that it's only this grant. This Garase grant is very big. It is very big to the extent that you can go ahead and even join the Garase Plus platform. Garase Plus platform is a platform whereby you go there if you want to get unlimited grants that are very many, not free ones like this one. You can join there. Then you have access to get a lot of things, to get a lot of trainings. You will be in position to even interact with very many members in the community, and also get help, and much more. You will be in position, if you go for Join Garase Plus, to have a complimentary masterclass. And you know, most people now, they love masterclass because the more you earn, the more you understand, the more you'll know what to do. Then also, if you join the Garase Plus, you are automated for grant registration for every grant. Every grant that they will bring, you will be part of them. So there you stand a chance to win very, very many things. So guys, what you do, just hurry and apply for this grant. Remember, it is free of charge. Nothing they are going to ask you to pay. Two, don't ever ask somebody that, have you ever gotten it? Be the first to get it. Three, never say that this is a scam. It has never been a scam because people have been participating and taking it. So let's dive in now and win this grant. But don't forget to put my name as